Hey, what's up? Sam here. Xiaomi has finally launched the highly anticipated Mi Band 5 in China yesterday. I went to one of the Xiaomi offline stores to hands on it and compare it with the Mi Band 4. The video is live on Sam Tech Tips channel. It's actually pretty detailed. You can check out if you want. In this video, I'm gonna answer those most asked questions about the Mi Band 5, like does it support global NFC, SPO2, Alexa voice control, or should I buy the Mi Band 5? Buckle up, my friends. Let's dive into it. Alright, so let's start from the basics. The AMOLED display of the Mi Band 5 is slightly bigger than that of the Mi Band 4. It measures 1.1 inches as opposed to the Mi Band 4's 0.95 inch screen. That's not much of a difference, but the screen now has smaller bezels and a large area to display more information. The resolution is set at 106 by 294 pixels and it supports 100% of the P3 color gamut. From my experience, I feel the Mi Band 5 looks brighter than the Mi Band 4, which is great for outdoor activities. As you may know, the Mi Band 5 has added 5 new sports modes, which are indoor cycling, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga, and jump rope. Though I haven't tested those sports modes personally, but it's definitely a step up from what you get with the Mi Band 4. The data should be more accurate. Not all about the app. So first of all, I'd like to praise Xiaomi for doing a really good job on the app, finally. It has added exercise tutorials, community those I have never seen on the Mi Band 4. Also, there are more than 100 new themed watch faces to choose from, including 54 IP feature themes such as SpongeBob SquarePants, Hatsune Miku, and Detective Conan. Apart from that, you can even take photos via the Mi Band 5. That's good when you want to take good selfies, right? Other new features include menstruation cycle tracking, breath training, and new Pi Vitality Index. Pi stands for Personal Activity Intelligence and is a feature borrowed from Huami's Amazfit wearables. Now to the question, does the Mi Band 5 support the rumored SPO2 or VO2 Max? No, it doesn't, as I confirmed with the official Xiaomi. I still see some tech reviews say that the Mi Band 5 supports those, which is misleading. That's not right. One last question you might have is, does the Chinese version Mi Band 5 support English? Yes, you can even find that in the settings. You can set your band to English if you want. Of course, it has magnetic charging. Xiaomi claims that it only takes 2 hours to fully charge the 125 mAh battery and offers a 14-day battery life. As for the NFC and the Xiaomi voice assistant, the Chinese version supports all that. However, as I confirmed with the official Xiaomi, the global variant is not going to support NFC or Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, at least now. So to conclude, should you get the Mi Band 5? As for the price, despite all those big improvements from its predecessor, like the new sports modes, especially the Mi Fit app, it remains the same price as the Mi Band 4 if you buy directly from Xiaomi here in mainland China. But of course, if you get from trustworthy third-party platforms like Geekbuying, it will be slightly more expensive because we have to add a shipping fee, a labor fee, those. It's still a good buy. It has all the basics you need in a fitness tracker without breaking the bank. Alright, if you have any questions about the Mi Band 5, please comment below. By the way, our 8th anniversary sale is still going on. We have massive coupons, crazy flash deals there. Definitely worth checking out. I have put the link in the description and to the screen. Go, go, go! I'm Sammy. See you next time. That's it. That's it. So this is the pictures taken by Mi Band 5. Isn't that amazing?